All right, now the time has officially come. It's time to officially open Super Nintendo World at Universal Studios Hollywood. So please join us as we power up and count down to a brand new world.
On Friday, February 17th, 2023, my family and I woke up at 3:30 a.m. to be amongst the first to be welcomed into Universal Studios Hollywood Super Nintendo World. And let me tell you the excitement here. They let us in small groups at 6 a.m. and just slowly let us in, like closer little by little down the escalators, until finally here, the time has come and we are inside. This is the first official day. As you saw before, they had special guests with the streamers and the ceremony. The news was there, and here we go. We have folks picking up the streamers for souvenirs. I get it. I chose to slow this way down because I was, my hands are not so steady. And also we were kind of walking fast because we were all trying to be like the first riders on the ride. And here it is. I took down the original audio because I was a very like giddy and excited and emotional, and I like didn't want the world to hear me be cringe. I mean, this audio is also cringe, but the original audio was way worse. It was like me practically freaking crying. So anyways, here it goes. That's the press. There's a game there. That's where you went get the key, the Goomba key. And right back there was where you buy your wristbands and play the Piranha Plant game, where you turn off the alarm clock so you don't wake up the Piranha Plant. And you can buy the wristbands right next to that game. That right there to the right, that's where like the characters stand, Mario and Luigi. And here we got the kiddos just trying to get there. Everyone's going fast. And I don't blame them. I was excited too. My daughter's already in there. I told her I would catch up to her. I wanted to record. And then also like feel free to, I went in slow motion just so that, you know, you guys don't get dizzy, but feel free to fast forward through all of this if you want to. This is just the ride. I'm going to come back. We got season passes, and hopefully, you know, I don't like waiting in long lines, but the positive side to that is you get to really experience everything instead of just like walking straight in. So I'll do that. I heard that the line after we got out of this, I can't, if I'm not mistaken, was like over an hour long. So we did this ride, and then we went to Toadstool's Cafe. And after we got out of the cafe, that line was already pretty long also. It's the moral of the story is wake up early and get there and be the first ones, and then you just like walk right into it. Yeah, okay, I'll be back. There's my daughter. The cool thing about Super Nintendo World is that coming down the escalators, you could see it, especially since we were coming down the escalators before the sun had come up. It was dark and empty, but you could still see it all lit up. It was really magical. It was really cool to see. This is where we'd be fast forwarding. Fast forward, fast forward. And that was when my family finally caught up to us. And here I regret not taking a good picture of the Bowser statue. In fact, look, all I got was Bowser's butt. That's all I got was his butt. Didn't get the front. I'm so mad at myself. You're watching. I'm like, that's so rad. I should have gotten a picture of it from the front. But I didn't. There will be a next time. And there's Danzig trying to catch up to his sister. Oh, even slowed down, it still kind of makes me dizzy just looking at it. I'm so sorry. It was like the perfect balance of trying to get everything, but yet like hustling to get on the ride. And here we are approaching the first checkpoint. The energy of the employees here was so amazing. I feel like, I'm sure they were just as excited as we were. If they weren't, they did a great job of faking, but I really believe that they were just as thrilled as we were to be here. It was really cool. Pay attention to this, guys, because I didn't pay close enough attention, and it sucked. So watch this. Those glasses, you attach them to the helmet that you pick up just before you get on the ride, that red hat. That red hat's a pain in the butt to put on too, but see, don't do it like that. Touch it the right way. True, that's how you do it. Do. You tap the steering wheel with your wristband. That's my eldest. He's 20. He's all of all of the Nintendo stuff that my youngest son is wearing once belonged to Ozzy when he was little too. We are OG Nintendo fans, and in fact, Santa Claus brought me the original Nintendo when I was little, and I'm like 40 now. But this might all be like new and insane technology, but I love it so much. I love Nintendo, and this ride is beyond amazing with the effects. They literally throw you into the game. You won't even like understand how cool it is until you're there. He's so excited. He's ready to go. Couple of things that I didn't realize. So it's kind of hard to like miss your teammates, but don't shoot any good guys. Only shoot the bad guys. Get those coins. Throw those turtle shells at the bad guys. Like the game. It cracks me up how she was ready to go. She's warming up her hands, trying to push the door. But actually those doors open by themselves, so she's just wheeling them open. Cute. There they go. Oh, they're opening. She's just trying to squeeze. Get in there. Alright, this is where you scoop up that red hat. Confused the heck out of me putting it on, but my kids put it on with like no issues, so there you go. My babies. Always waiting for us. She's such a good girl. He put that on so easily. I wish it had been that easy for me. It was not. Well, that was the video, guys. I hope this was helpful in some kind of way, and I hope you guys like watching it. And let me know if you want me to like post another video about Toadstool Cafe, because that was